Fine. Is how to create a Facebook post, Facebook page post in a professional way. Everyone know how to post anything in the Facebook profile, and also in the Facebook page. But nobody know how to create posts in a professional way. What is professional way? What is the normal way? Professional way is that way that increase your that increase your post SEO, story SEO, real SEO. Okay, if you just post something in the Facebook direct, then there is no benefit to you. Just you wasting your time, which is does not benefit for you. If you want to be viral in Facebook, if you want to be attacked with your audience, attacked with your friends, then you need to be a create a professional post. If you create a professional post, and AI understand your post as per your description, as per your photo, as per your quality content. Okay, so we will discuss today how to create a post in a professional way. Hope you enjoyed my video. If you found this video valuable, and then please also watch my previous video, and please subscribe my channel. So without wasting any time, let's start the video. Here's my one page. Our channel name is Digital Meta, but page name is Whenever you want to add hashtag, add here hashtag uh, up to 10 to 15 hashtag. Okay, you can add 10 to, but if you add 3, then it's best. But if you want to add more, then 10 to 15 is good. Okay, I had here hashtag and first line. If you want to do, then okay, bold option is not available in the when you post in the mobile, then there is one option available in the mobile which is bold, but in the PC bold option is not available. Then write simple that post, and you can also tag places. You can also show your feelings. Okay, and then just click on the post. When you just click on the post, then your post will go like I will show you how this you can use this method to post professional you write professional post in the Facebook page. When you write this and everyone everyone I come with it that is this is very catchy when you have some bold text and also some more post in the Facebook page. Okay. Uh, Hope you enjoyed my video. If you found this video valuable, then please subscribe my channel. Take care of yourself. Allah Hafiz.